Hey guys, this is the Dark Heart, and today we will be making a new artwork. My friend asked me to make one, so here is the basic idea. I know it's a horrible sketch, but anyway, let's get started. So here we are in Photoshop. I made a new file with black background. I'm gonna start with the character, and for that I found this image, and this will do half of the work. Just gonna cut it out and drop it on our black layer. Now for the head. I took an image on my phone of my friend. Very bad lighting, not a good image, but this will have to do. I'm just gonna cut out his head and place it on the body. Then I decided to remove the hair and make him bald. But it didn't look very good, so I decided that he should have long hair and a man bun. After that, I thought he should also have a beard, cause it just looks cool. So I added a beard. Then I matched the color a little bit. After that, I started to add environment. So the idea was the character is floating in the air like he has some kind of powers. It looked cool, but I decided to make it look even cooler. For that, I imported a lot of pics of rocks. Then I made a circular outline, adjusted its perspective and placed it on the subject. This will work as a guideline. Copied it and placed it on the other side too. Then I started placing rocks on our guideline to make an illusion that rocks are floating around our main subject. After placing the rocks, I used an adjustment layer and created highlights and shadows. I also started to work on the background and stuff, added some fog on the background and on the front ground. Then added some more rocks and I also added highlights and shadows on our main character. After that, I added a blur on the image for depth. In the end, I added a camera raw filter in it. And this was the final result. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you guys like the artwork. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next one.